guess goodbye to those guys. Hi. Who are you? Been a while since people came around here. Hi. Okay. Party cleanse. Ooh. Super hammer, vamp glove. Yeah, Hurley glove. Maybe another time. I have no money, bro. Okay, I'll be back. Cause it's the freaking fireworks. I'm telling you, it's literally just the fireworks. Oh, there are a lot of starfish around here. Oh, they're enemies, of course. Luco and Zeostar. Alright then. Well, bang! Bam, 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 bam. At least I think we've even enough of Peach. We'll use her when we need her. And plus we already did our special anyway, so let's use Mellow. So let's go ahead and use Thunderbolt because I'm sure they're weak to it now. No, those two aren't. Oh yeah, because they use electricity. I'm stupid because they're octopuses. I mean, jellyfish. Oh my god. I think I'm getting under leveled, guys. Oh boy. That was unexpected. Oh my god. Oh. I can switch. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. And we're gonna res Mario. You're gonna heal yourself. No, let him mid mushrooms. You can use it. Oh my god, it's so freaking fast. Okay, I blocked it? How? Okay, that was a little early, but alright. What? Bang! Alright. Throw him. Yeet! Oh my god, okay. Maybe a fireball? Yeah! It is his weakness, but that was a lot. Oh my god, bro, that does so much damage. Yay! Okay, I blocked it this time. Okay, maybe we use the Geno. Is he almost dead? Nope, Geno beam. Alright, cool. Oh, Geno whirl. Attack an enemy, press A prior to for critical. Sure. Press A prior to contact. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Okay, well, is he almost dead yet? Damn, alright. Well, but there goes all my pick-me-ups. So can I use the pick-me-up on dead Geno? I guess not. I guess we'll go with, the fireball said it was weakness, but it did so little. I guess we'll just use the big fireball, I guess. Yep. Oh my god, Peach is dead already, great. Oh, Mellow's dead? Oh, crap. Oh god, okay, nice. Damn, this was horrible. Fine, just use the super fireball! Oh my, thank god it went down, holy crap. I think I need to level up. Oh my god, bro, holy crap. Yeah, level up for sure, holy crap, that was 27. Okay. Jesus Christ. Oh, very cute. Holy crap. Oh my god, that was horrible. Just HP. Girl, you just need to be the one that stays alive at this point. Because, holy crap, that hurt. Let's do group hug. Oh good, it does it to, oh wow. That healed everybody to full HP. Okay, anyways, as I was saying. Peach is just our healer at this point, but holy crap. These guys were hard. That was really early, but alright. Oh, again? Damn, they're so tanky. There we go. No. Yay! Doo-doo-doo-doo. What is that? Okay. I guess I missed my timing. Cool. Alright, who's next? Mario. Alright. Hey. Alright, attack up? 2? Yeah, sure, why not? Oh, who's next? Mallow! Yay! Dun, 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 dun. 4. Buddy. Ooh. No, let's just continue to raise your magic for now. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna fight a little bit more here. Okay. Oh, there's a blueprint. And I messed up my timing again. Yep. Nice. I still don't know what lucky means. Yeah, yep. Sure. Boom, maybe. Give me my 40 XP. Or 22. Never mind. Bowser. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Alright, gotta raise that, attack? Bro, that's just 1 HP. Yeah, let's just do attack. Okay, another one. There's a lot of starfish down here. But I guess we're near the sea, so. Have we used this yet? No, we haven't, right? I don't think so. Yeah, shooting star shots. Shooting star rains on foes from the sky while boosting allies. Yeah, let's try it. Sure. Let's do this. Oh, damn. Go, Gino. And fire! Oh, it hits random people. It hit, I think, 8 times. Cool, that's interesting. Bang! Oh, that didn't really enhance my attack a lot. Yay! Nice. Thank you very much. Alright. Well, bang! Yeet! Bye. I don't know. Am I under leveled? I feel like maybe I'm not. I don't know. Maybe I'm over exaggerating. Oh, I think that's middle. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's skip them a little bit. I think we have enough for that. Okay. Get out of my way, because I can still get XP from you guys. Oh damn, there's a lot of secrets. Another flower. Oh no, I didn't. That was a flower tub. That was just. Yeah. Oh, I wasn't supposed to go this way. Huh. That's cool. Let's see. Oh look, the whirlpool. He said to go in whirlpools, but let's not go there just yet. Oh, oh, thank God. Oh dang it. Man, I loaded the cave easy, but not that one. Anything here? Oh crap! I think I fricked myself. Well, let's just see if there's anything up here. Man, I wasn't supposed to go there. Oh well, that's alright. We'll go back out of there later. Just see if there's anything interesting out here. The water looks nice. Well, all we can do is go in the whirlpool. Let's go in this one first. Maybe they lead different places. Wah! Oh, we're actually just underwater. Am I dead if I stay down here too long? Is that a thing? Oh, this raises me back up to the surface. Okay. So how about if we go over here? How about if we go down here? Oh, we can. Okay. So I guess you can only go in that pipe. Alright, hold on. Anything on the ship? No? No. Alright. I guess that's... never mind. What is that? Mr. Kipper and Krusty. Alright. You look pretty formidable. What? Bang! Damn, he is stinky. Alright, he's almost dead. Yeet! Okay, whatever. And fire! What? Bang! Yeah, yo. Oh, max mushroom, damn. Sure. Riddle again. Come on, man. Give me my money. Okay, let's go inside this time. We'll go back up there later. Sunken Ship. I thought these are bananas, but they're J's. There's this page from the travelogue. Sure. We're done for. A giant squid just got a hold of us. The ship's going down fast. Well, uh-oh. Hi. Another save point, damn. 8 hours of playing game. This is a page for the travelogue, sure. We managed to trap the giant squid in the treasure cellar. The treasure will sink with the ship, but so it goes. As or whatever. Oh, hi! Shy Reapers? Greeper. Okay. And Reacher. Oh, very interesting names. Indeed. Yeah, bang! Bye-bye. Not today. Yay! Okay, this thing might be going next. Okay, you missed. L on you, boy. Bye-bye. Bye. Almost there. It's a page for the travelogue, sure. The door to the cellar is locked with a 6-letter password. To get inside, you'll have to figure out the password using the 6 hints. Okay. Oh, straw head. Almost so close. Straw hat. So close. I'm just kidding. Alright. What? Bang! Let's go, Bowser. And yay! Oh my god, that was a huge bone to the one that he's read Gino before. Frick that up. Whatever. Ooh, pure water. Let's go, Peachy. Let's go. All right. Okay. Oh, sleepy time. Zonk. One or more foes. Foes. Your age is going up again, girl. I'm telling you. You're living. Okay. Next. Ooh, dry bones. I know, you probably said to yourself, it's just a pile of dusty old bones. Think again. Oh, God. What? My lights turned on again. Hello there, dry bones. Nice polygons you got there. Oh, holy crap. He's living? Oh, he's still alive? What? What? Mario, you gotta jump on them or something. There's no way. They're not even close to dead. What the heck? Okay. Do we have to leave? Here, I'll try jumping. I am confused. Oh my god, ow. Yeah, try jump on them again. Yeah, so jumping on them kills them, I guess. But it's kind of a waste of FP, to be honest. So I won't do it again. Nice. Gino, what could you do? Yes, physical up, please. You need it. Let's fight the creepers again. Alright, you're dead. Frick. What? Bang! Fine. Damn, no coins? Okay, he just baited me to go in the room. What's this? This is a page for the... Yeah, okay. Uncover the secret of the 6 hints. Since they're provided by different people, they'll be tough to solve. Maybe impossible. Sure. But you're talking to the Mario. Come on, man. Oh, special enemy. Okay, it's time for the Geno being... Alright, try for Geno World. Let's try it again. That wasn't it still? What the freak? Come on, man. What? Bang! I gotta try again. Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me. Yeet! Oh my god, you have to go up and then do it? What? Okay, let's try it again. No, so it's after he throws it. Okay. I gotta figure it out. And yeet! Nope. Oh damn, I still got poisoned though. Alright, never mind. Goodbye. See ya later. Alright. Let's not fight them. They're not worth my jumps. Ooh, we got more rats again. Ah, flower tab. Thank you very much. Hi, what are you guys' names? Oh god, Enigmax is the Enigma and Ali Rat. Even though we're in a ship. Alright. Yep. Bang! Yeet! Yep. Bowser's almost gonna level up soon. Hi, is there just a lot of you guys here? Yeah. Hi. Oh, we have another special one. Let's try again. So after he throws it. There we go. So if it's yellow, it's a critical? But is it worth it? I don't know. I don't specifically think so. Nope. Oh my god. Who should be next? Let's try the one with Peach with Geno. Spare us all. A shining veil protects the whole team from any one attack. We're just doing it just to see it. Alright, so this is what this one is. Yeah, yeah, yay! Oh, that was so cute. Is it like anybody? Everybody? You know, just these three? Okay. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Wah, bang! Oh. Oh, he left? Bang. Damn it. He was gonna give me a lot of EXP. Frick. Well, at least we know what that does. Oh, look, it's back. Thank God. Alright. I feel like Geno Boom does more than that. Fired! Yep, does a lot more even with a critical. So I thought, what? Bang! Oh, frick, that was bad. Damn, he hurts. Let's put in Bowser again. Alright, come on. Yeet! And I messed up the timing. That's cool. Alright, Bowser. Oh my god, one more fight. Oh! let's just keep moving. Come here. You got it in the door 4. What? Bang! No, not today. Yeet! Oh my god damn. They're hitting harder though. They're hitting harder. Yeah, it's getting scary. Oh, Mario and Bowser. Right. Let's go. Yo ho. Alright, 4, 1, and 1. I wonder what I should get. But I don't know. Let's get you a bit more magic, buddy. Alright, Bowser. Oh yeah. The new move? Poison gas. Poison foes, as I thought. He's getting a lot more status effects. Magic, you know. 1 HP, no. And attack goes up. Again, I think just attack is better. So they're guarding the doors, so we have to fight them. What the heck? What is this place called again? Currently at Star Hill region. No. What is this place called? Sunken Ship, okay. What? Okay. This adventure, Indigo's memo. There is an S in the word. I don't know what you did, Koopa Troopa, but thank you. S. I'll try to remember this as fair as possible. Boom, boom, bing, bing, ba, bum, bum. What? Bang! We're gonna hit the left. Okay. 12th. Okay, that's fine. And wait. Bam, 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 bam. Goodbye. Yo. Let's get more coins. Okay, that's on the right. Yes, sir. Come on, man. Let's go. Mallow, one more. Oh, wait, no. He did level up. Oh. Mallow. Yes, oh. Oh, yes, oh. That's not bad. Let's just give him more HP, because why not? Okay, what's in this room? What the? Okay. That's fine. Oh. She needs to be right here and then. Frick. Okay, so that needs to be middle period. Okay, that, I think? No, a little bit more. Okay, that's fine. Okay, and then. There. This should be good. Crap. A little bit more. That's good. Nope. Okay, that's good, and then. Boom! Alright. Ooh, flower tab. Thank you. Adventures, it is found on the bed of the ocean. It is found on the bed of the ocean. Okay, it is found in the bed of the ocean. Okay, it's hinting us more to a word. So it's S and something that can be found on the bottom of the ocean. I'm guessing it's like a starfish right now. That's what my guess. Boom, bing, 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 bing. Wah, bang. Not today, but I got feared. That's really cool. Okay, sure, that's fine. Yeah. Is everybody almost the same level? Nope, not for Peachy. It's gonna be hard to level up Peach, bro. Oh crap. My bad. S found at the bottom of the ocean. Okay. 3D maze, great. Okay, nothing there. Oh, there's something back here. That thing's nowhere. Hello. Okay, we're here. What's this? Is there anything here? Oh, great. Wait, how did it get up there? I have no idea, but alright. Be careful, be careful. Oh! Oh, don't tell me I was supposed to jump. Off! What? Okay. Okay, fucking scared me. Alright, found it. Hopefully there wasn't anything hidden. Royal syrup, dang. The second expedition team's memo. It has 2 vowels. Okay. 2 vowels. Well, starfish has A and I on it. I don't know. Let's see. Treasure? No. Treasure. No, there was an S. No, there's 3 vowels in that treasure, so I still think it's starfish. Wait, I'm gonna need you to move. Oh, we actually have to fight that thing now? Oh, fine. See you guys later. Frick. See you guys later. That's what I thought. I can't move past him, you fricks. Okay, fine. Hold on, I gotta jump on them. Whoop. Give out there, freak. Finish him off. Yo yo! Out of my way. No, that's just unfair. Let me just use the item that I got right here. So see ya later, buddy. Goodbye. I hate that you can't get past him. That's so stupid. Time to jump on him. See ya later, buddy. Wow. Wow. Jump on his head. And see you later. Yeah. Alright. Okay. I think this part. Oh, hello. Oh, you aren't a bad guy. Hey, it's good to see you. Oh, hi. You're the guy from earlier. Oh, you have my stuff on you. Yeah, let's go. Thank you. You're a homie. Alright, Hurley glove. Whatever that means. And then. So. Oh my god, excuse me. Hopefully you did not hear that. So, what I'm going to do is. For Gino, I'm going to give him this. And Sailor Dress, definitely going to give this one to Peach. I'm going to make sure Gino, Bowser, Peach is the one that's usually are gonna stay alive, while Mallow and Mario is the main attacker, I think. At least for physical slash magic and magic. So. I'll give you a hint. The password's got something to do with the sea. Really? Who would have known? Even if you don't get through all of the 6 obstacles, you can try to deduce your way through. Good luck. Well, either way, I'm gonna do it. Here, where's the thing? Oh. Wait, where are you supposed to do it? Oh, it's whatever, I guess. I'm sure it's still starfish. That's my guess. Let's hit this one. Whoop! Bang! Okay, and then fire. Ow, frick. What? Freaking scared me, Bowser. I didn't think you were just gonna. I know your things that hurl, but I didn't think you were actually gonna hurl somebody on our team. That scared me. Oh my god. But it seems like a very Bowser type move to just throw his friends, yay, or friends in quotation mark, very. Let's get in this room. Ooh, oh. Crap. Wasn't I supposed to collect that coin? Oh, no. I think I was made an idiot of myself and I collected the coin on accident. Whoops. Yeah, let's go back in and see if it respawns. Okay, response. Let me not collect that coin. If you collect the main one, it won't show us where to go. This is a waste of my time, but I'm gonna do it. Alright, got it. Alright, cool. The search party Onyx's memo. It is very valuable. Okay, so maybe it's not a starfish? Okay. Is it like a pearl? Pearl has 2 vowels. Oh wait, but it doesn't have an S. I need to think. Oh my god, Bowser. Oh, you can throw us a second time, bro? Ain't no way. It's on the bottom of the ocean. It's very valuable. Has S and 2 vowels. What could it be? It's not pearl, no S. I guess we're gonna need another hint. What? Okay, there you go. I don't know how I stepped past it. Goodbye. Okay. Wait, did I go in the room? I didn't go in the room, did I? Nope. What the freak is this? Ah. What? I think I see what has to happen. Did they hit the cannibal after? Crap. So far, I'm not really sure. Okay, got it. The 4th one is, it is actually a they. What? It is actually a they. So it's a plural? It's to talk about something that has met. What? It's not coins, is it? C-O-I-N-S. What the freak? I gotta rack my brain around this. Oh, by the way, I think the next episode should be ending in like a few minutes. What the freak? Once you've come up with the key letters, speak in here. Key letter 4? Damn. 4 letter. How many? Once you come up with the key letters. So it's a 6-letter word? Okay, so it kind of tells us an amalgamation of what could be. C-O-I-N-S. Crap. Wait, what else could it be? Also, can somebody help me with this one? Huh. Let's see about that. Crap. Let's see. P? What could be with P? On the bottom of the ocean. Oh, crap. Wait, this is actually a lot harder. Huh. At the bottom of the sea, it is very valuable. 2 vowels. It's in the sea. Has an S. So S is there, S is there, S is there, and S is also there. Great. Doesn't help. Have we seen it? Wait, don't tell me it's one of the enemies' names, is it? Oh crap, I have a feeling. It's not one of the enemies' names, right? 6-letter word? Hey, rats. 6-letter word. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. No. That's 7. At the bottom of the sea. Chest? C-H-E-S-T? No. Oh, crap. Jones? J-O-N-E-S. No. Jonathan? No. Oh, crap. What could be found at the bottom of the ocean? P-E-A-R. Pearls? Oh, pearls? Is that okay? So I was close. It had to be plural. I think it's pearls. L and S. The password you entered is pearls. Boom. So I said pearl, but I should have said it in plural. My bad. I was close. Good job. I'll let you through if you can get past me first. That is. Okay. Still don't know what this is. I wish one of my buddies would help me out. Okay, well, let's see what we're dealing with here. All right, we're fighting the tentacles. Maybe I might keep this part in for the second episode. Sorry, 10th episode. What should be next? I think Mallow's next. Oh, but Mallow's only 1. That's not very good. So let's do. It's fine. We'll do another day. We'll just do the shooting star shot. Let's go. Now, here you go. And fired. Oh damn! It hit that one tentacle the whole time. All right, Gino. This time for the Gino beam. Fired. Oh, that wasn't perfect, was it? Oh, I don't know. Oh, so let's see what this one does. Poisonous gas. Let's do it. Poison cloud? Where'd you get that from? Okay, that one's dead. No, what do you think you're doing, mate? Yeah, I'm gonna bunk you. What? Bang! Oh, damn, there's more? Well, wasn't expecting that. All right. Time for a Geno Beam. And fire! All right, and yeet, and yeet. Okay. And bang! And I'll hit this tentacle again. And damn it. And then hurl him. Yeet! Yeet! Oh my god, that's so funny. Oh! Geno! What just... Oh, he gave him fear. Okay, that makes sense. Bang! Time to shoot him down, Geno. Yeet! Yeet! That's so funny. Okay, are we fighting the main head now? Yep, we are. Hi there. Yeah, a blooper is a squid, right? Yeah. Okay, so let's. Oh, I can't switch them out. I'm fucking stupid. Let's just figure it out. Is Fireball good? King Calamari and a tentacle. So let's check out the tentacles first. Here we go. They'll taste some fireballs. Cook you into Calamari. Which sounds good, by the way. Geno boost. Let's go. Alright, and then you're gonna poison everybody. Wait, wasn't their hands? Oh man. Okay, oh no, not fear again. Well, Geno's gone! Where'd he go? Oh. Wait, dude, let's do this one. I can't talk. Boom. Here you go, there it goes. And then we're gonna attack the... Shoot him. There you go. Alright, Bowser. Chuck him. What the freak did you just chuck? Bang! Alright. And what are you just throwing a Mario doll? Thank you. And time for the big fireball! Okay. Alright, okay, let's put in Peachy in here. And then we're gonna, oh yikes, let me use a mushroom, syrup. Real syrup, oh damn. Let's use the maple syrup for now. Alright. Yeet! You can't be throwing a Mario doll. Oh damn, now she's feared, great. Alright, time for the super fireball! He should be dead soon, right? Okay, damn. Time for sleepy time. And status. I think we're okay for a little while longer. Let's just keep slapping him. Bang! Damn, only 4 damage. That is so sad. Okay. Yeet! Beep, beep. Time for the fireball! Okay, he's dead. Goodbye, good sir. That was close. Almost. But that freaking other thing that we dealt with earlier was a lot more harder. For some reason. Peachy! Yay, 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 yay. Oh, look at that. HP still going up. Oh, her attack can go up a little more, but I think HP still. Alright. Okay. I don't think I missed anything, so let's go in. Is the star piece in here? Oh, hi.